Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the Christmas song, What Child Is This? So first I'm going to play through the whole song for you, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So be sure to stick around to the end, and let's go ahead and get started.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him up, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh. Come, peasant king, to own him, the King of kings. Salvation brings, let loving hearts enthrone him. Raise, raise a song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
Okay, so this song is in the key of A minor, which is the relative key to C. So you'll see a lot of similarities with the C chord family as with the chords that we're going to be using in the key of A minor. Now I'm actually going to be playing it with my capo on the 3rd fret. So even though we're using the A minor chords, we're actually going to be in the key of C minor. Now this is a personal preference because playing it in the key of A minor is just too low for me to sing. So I raise the pitch by adding my capo on the 3rd fret. Again, if it's too high or too low for you to sing, you can always adjust that capo to make it fit your voice. So for chords, I'm going to be using the A minor chord, the C chord, the G chord, the E minor chord. We also have an E major chord, and then we have an F over C. For the strum pattern for this song, we're going to be using a variation of the swing pattern, which the swing pattern is a 3-beat strum pattern that has 3 down strums and then an up strum after beat 3, and then we repeat. But for this song, we're going to be cutting out the up strum, and we're just going to be keeping with all down strums. Now, an important distinction for the swing pattern is that for the first beat of each measure, we're going to just be plucking the root note of the chord. So if I hold the A minor chord, which is the main chord for the song, my root note for the A minor is the A string, okay, which is my 2nd string. The low E string is not part of the A minor chord. So I want to start my strumming on the A string, okay? So for beat 1 of this strum pattern, I'm just going to pluck that A string by itself. And then for beats 2 and 3, I want to strum the rest of the strings. And then that's repeated. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, for this song, it's going to be very important to know what your root note is so that you know what string you need to start on for each chord. So let me go over those with you. For the G chord, the E minor, and the E major chord, we're going to be starting our strumming on the E string, okay, the top string here. That's where we want to start for those 3 chords. For the C chord and the A minor chord, we want to start our strumming on the A string. And for the F over C chord, we want to start our strumming on the D string. So for the F over C, we're excluding the E and A string. We're starting on the D string. All right, so I hope this lesson was useful for you. If it was, Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And hopefully I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.